Oh, whew. Bird just tried to get my lure. Get away, get away, go. No, 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 no. Oh, that's a fish. Alright. Got a little one. I'm going to go out just a little bit deeper because the way the current is bringing it in, there's a it looks like there might be a drop off where it gets pretty deep, so maybe I got that lure sink a little bit, let the current take it down and over, see if we can get up against that line of rocks in a little deeper water. Oh, yep, here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go, where are we going with it? Oh, I got him. Oh. Oh, he got in rocks. Let's see if he work himself out. He didn't, I broke my line. Ah. Bummer. Look at the angle I'm looking at over here.
Ooh, I see that one.
Right there.
Yeah. I see that one.
I don't think it's probably about 2.5.
2.5, 3.
3 inches.
That's a, I mean, that could be a...
That could be a canine. Wait.
No, not a...
Not a canine. Bobcat.
Probably.
I normally move around a lot when I bass fish, but with the way the wind's blowing and the current's moving, and here's another little bitty guy when you're gonna start looking at, but with the way the current is moving and the wind is blowing this direction, bass have a tendency, they don't like to swim against the current, so they swim with the current. So they're going to be hanging down here. That's why I'm getting a lot of hits. Is most of the bass are going to be hanging right around in here. So it's best to just stay put. I'd probably be doing well along that bank too, all along there. But getting hits over here, no need to move. I have a feeling there's plenty of them right down in here. It's windy, kind of cold, low 50s. Tap, tap. Here we go, he's going out with it. Still going out with it. He's taking off pretty good with it. Alright, here we go. Oh, got him. He's small. He's small. We got a pretty green killer to him. Just gonna let that current drift it in a bit. Kind of should go over to the side of me. Sure, if he slides, I don't know. Yeah. Oh! He was in there, Alex. Ooh! Alright, that's more like it. That's more like it. Where you at, buddy? bass are pretty in this lake. They got a really nice green colored to them. Yeah, this is how you catch fish on a windy, breezy day. Just watch, just take a look and see what direction the wind is blowing and where the current's headed. The bass do not like to swim against the current. They like to go with the current, so they make their way down towards that end of the lake or pond. No matter where you're fishing, they'll make their way down towards that end where the current and the breeze is heading. So you want to be fishing into the wind. Sounds counterintuitive when you're casting, but the fish are going to be down there at that end. Oh, here we go. Yeah. There we go. Smallie. Not a smallmouth, but he's small. Small, but fun to catch. Yeah, those rocks. I'm trying to find some rocks to hide under. It's been a fun day. Something taking off with it? Yeah, it looks like it. Something taking off with it. Oh, he's okay, he's taking off with it for a while. I had no idea. This is where some needle nose pliers come in handy. He was taking off with it for a while. I had no idea he was moving with it. I didn't feel him hit. But pulled it out pretty easily, so that fish will make it.